Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to start today chapter 2 Synthetic Material. Dear student, in this video I am going to give you introduction of the chapter. So let us know about what do you mean by synthetic material. First I will let you know about what do you mean by the term material. So let us know about it. What do you mean by the material? A substance from which things can be made. Things can be made is known as material. So dear student, what do you mean by the term material? So material can be defined as a substance from which things can be made. Things can be made from which things can be made is known as material. For an example, table, chair are made from the wood. Table, chair are also made of the iron. Okay, dear student, bags, carry bags are made of the cloth also, and carry bags are also being made of the plastic also. So, a substance from which things can be made is known as material, dear student. So, material are of the two type: natural material and synthetic material. So, let us know about it. First, natural material. The material or things made of natural occurring substances are known as natural material. Example like gold, silver, aluminium, copper, iron, etc. So dear student, let us know about the natural material. The material or the things made of the natural occurring or natural occurring substances are known as natural material. For an example, you see, jewelries are made of gold, silver, also it is being used to make jewelry, aluminium to make the container, utensil, copper, also it is being used to make the utensil and the container, also it is being used to make electric wire, iron, which is being used to make the table, chair, grill, gates and the variety of the item. So these all are the natural occurring material or natural occurring substances known as a natural material. So dear student, those material which are being given by the nature or occur naturally known as a natural material. Next, synthetic material. The materials which are made by combining chemicals. Combining chemicals are known as synthetic materials. Example like plastic, rayon, nylon, etc. So dear student, the type of the material which are made up of or made by combination of the chemicals, such type of the materials are known as synthetic material. You see here, the material which are made by combining chemicals or combination by the combination of the chemicals are known as a synthetic material. For example, like plastic, rayon, nylon and many more examples are there which are made of by combination of chemicals. So such type of the materials are known as a synthetic material, dear student. So dear student, I hope you may have understood about what do you mean by the material, natural material and synthetic material. So please you read the topic and learn the definition of natural material, synthetic material and about the material. In the next video, I will explain you about the synthetic material and advantage of its. So dear student, thank you to you all.